as well. All of them.
It's got seats in the,
Yeah.
Oh, it's got seats in the far back as well.
Yeah. So, and control everything. And also we can check. Oh, another cool thing is like the GPS on the Mars. Because Elon want to go to Mars one day.
Oh,
in
wow.
cases when they're going to drive on Mars.
So this is Mars.
Yeah. And charging stations.
Positive thinking.
Yeah, think very like forward. And the kids love that one. They can leave their like artwork, and they can publish.
Wow, on Facebook as well.
Yeah, yeah. So that one is like to driver's profile. So if you guys are sharing the car, so you're going to just create your like a profile. The next time, just change